I'm going to make a chicken Marbella, which is my take on an old classic from the 80s for the Silver Palette cookbook. So I've got chicken legs here, and I'm adding olives. So it's a sweet and sour dish, which everybody loves. There's dates, fresh dates.
Fresh bit of dates and olives.
Briny capers. So that gets you get a lot of salt, some garlic, and oregano.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Fragrant, easy.
And salt and pepper, bay leaves.
Bay.
A bit of vinegar. And that's all it is.
A little acidity.
Yeah, and then you want to give it time. So I would marinate it for 24 hours, but if you can't do that, you can just put it in straight away.
You can't, though. You know, you would throw it in the fridge overnight.
Yeah. And then, just before you put it in the oven, I add some white wine. And this is the magic ingredient. These are date molasses or date syrup. So this is a date juice. And look how thick and beautiful that is.
Look at that.
It's like it's like crude oil. That sweetness goes over the top here.
And kind of shellacks it, right?
Absolutely. And you know what else it does? It makes it caramelize. So you get a beautiful color, because all that is like pure sweetness. So as it goes in the oven, which is what I'm going to do now, it will start to caramelize.
The upper one is empty.
The upper one is empty. And
400?
Yeah, for, 35, 45 minutes. And look at that.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that.